Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best earphone cleaning kit is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked accessories for any audio enthusiast, ensuring your earbuds deliver pristine sound quality and maintain optimal hygiene. In a world where we rely on our earphones for everything from music and podcasts to calls and virtual meetings, the buildup of earwax, dust, and debris can significantly degrade audio performance and pose health risks. This comprehensive cleaning solution is designed to tackle these issues head-on, offering a simple yet effective way to preserve your listening experience and the longevity of your valuable audio gear, making it an indispensable tool for maintaining your personal audio sanctuary. Number 5. BEBIRD R1 Ear Wax Removal Tool. Introducing the BEBIRD R1, your personal ear care companion. It features a high-definition camera and bright LED lights to illuminate even the darkest corners of your ear canal. With its advanced 3-megapixel lens and 1080p resolution, you get a wide-angle view of your ear canal. This ensures you don't miss any detail, making cleaning safer and more effective. Connect wirelessly to our intuitive BEBIRD app on your smartphone or tablet. You can see a real-time view, take photos, and record videos of your ear examination. This tool comes with multiple replacement tips to suit different needs, whether your ears are oily or dry. It's designed for a comfortable and thorough cleaning experience. This versatile device isn't limited to ear care. Use the included observation kits to examine your nasal cavity and oral cavity as well. It's a multi-use tool for your personal health checks. Our innovative design is patented for your safety and confidence. Trust in a tool that's both effective and reliable for your ear, nose, and throat examinations. What we like. This tool offers a crystal clear view inside your ear with its 1080p HD camera. If you're looking for a precise and visual way to clean your ears, or even examine your nose and throat, this is the one for you. It's perfect for those who want to understand and manage their ear health with advanced technology. What people say. The resolution is far better than you'll need to get the job done. Individual hairs display clearly, look like giant trees in a forest from the perspective of the camera. Waxy areas are easy to make out and the color separation is very good. The camera is great to see the ear wax. Very easy to use, exceptional softness that did not bother my ear canal at all. The app worked right away. Very easy to clean. The video quality is clear and it's helpful to actually see what's going on in your ear instead of guessing. The app was easy to use and connected quickly. Number 4. 3-in-1 Earbud Cleaning Pen Kit. Tired of earwax and dust hindering your listening experience? Discover the revolutionary 3-in-1 cleaning pen designed to keep your earbuds pristine. This versatile tool features a metal nib, a soft brush, and a flocking sponge. It tackles everything from stubborn wax to deep-seated dust in your charging case. Our specially designed metal nib gently removes earwax without damaging delicate components. Ensure crystal clear sound and prevent costly repairs with regular use. Crafted with upgraded, durable materials, this pen is built to withstand daily use. Its compact, portable design makes it easy to carry wherever you go. Perfect for your earbuds, it's also ideal for cleaning charging ports, keyboards, and other small electronic gaps. Keep all your tech looking and performing its best. Get 2 cleaning pens in this pack. Keep one handy at home and another in your bag for effortless cleaning on the move. It's the perfect practical gift for any tech enthusiast. Regular maintenance prevents charging issues and preserves original sound quality. This small investment helps protect your valuable electronics and ensures they last longer. What we like. This kit provides a versatile 3-in-1 solution for keeping your earbuds pristine. If you prioritize protecting the delicate sound mesh of your earbuds and want a convenient, portable option for on-the-go cleaning, this 2-pack is an excellent choice. It's ideal for anyone who frequently uses wireless earbuds and wants to maintain their audio quality. What people say. The cleaning pen has a flocking sponge that effectively removes dust and debris from the earphone charging case. The high-density brush can clean the earphone sound outlet whole, removing stubborn dust. The screen cleaner spray and fiber brush are perfect for cleaning phone screens, tablets, and other electronic devices. Number 3. ECASP Multi-Tool Cleaning Kit for Apple Devices. Is your charging port clogged with lint and dust? This tool easily cleans out debris, ensuring a secure connection and extending the life of your device. Don't let faulty cables slow you down. Our kit cleans and repairs connectors, eliminating intermittent charging and oxidation for a reliable connection every time. Keep your audio crystal clear. This kit effectively removes dirt and lint from speakers, headphone crevices, and charging cases, restoring pristine sound quality. Designed for convenience, this cleaning kit is lightweight and easy to carry. Keep your devices in top condition wherever you go. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to clean and maintain your Apple devices. It's the perfect solution for keeping them looking and performing like new. Looking for a practical gift? This cleaning kit is a considerate choice for friends, family, or colleagues who love their tech. What we like. This kit focuses on cleaning and repairing charging ports and cable connectors, ensuring reliable charging. If you've been experiencing intermittent charging issues or want to proactively protect your devices from dust and debris in ports, this is the tool for you. It's especially useful for iPhone and Type-C users who want to extend their device's lifespan. What people say. The multi-tool has everything I need to clean tricky spots like charging ports, lightning cables, and connectors without any hassle. It's compact and easy to store, so I keep it in my bag and use it regularly. It cleaned my BFS phone very nicely. The test is to see if his phone will charge now. Works great and get in all the places that dirt and grime like to hide in. Now I don't have any problem at all getting my earbuds to charge or my phone to charge now that I can really get in there and give those hard to reach places a good cleaning. Number 2. Airpods Cleaner Kit 3-in-1 Multifunction Cleaning Pen. Tired of earwax and dust hindering your audio experience? Discover our 3-in-1 multifunction cleaning pen, designed to keep your earbuds and devices pristine. Simply press the cleaning putty onto your earbuds and pull away. It effortlessly lifts earwax, dust, and gunk, leaving your devices beautifully clean for better sound and pairing. Our premium microfiber cloth gently removes smudges, fingerprints, and dirt without leaving scratches or lint. Perfect for your earbuds, phone, and other delicate surfaces. With specialized cleaning brushes, you can effectively tackle even the most stubborn dirt. Ensure a comprehensive clean for all your electronic gadgets. This versatile cleaning tool is perfect for AirPods Pro, Bluetooth earbuds, headphones, mobile phones, computers, tablets, cameras, and more. Keep all your digital products in top condition. Your kit includes ample cleaning putty, a cleaning pen, microfiber cloths, wet and dry wipes, and a convenient storage box for all your cleaning needs. What we like. With a generous 48-pack of cleaning putty, this option is perfect for thorough and frequent cleaning of multiple devices. If you have many earbuds, phones, or other gadgets that accumulate dust and earwax, this bulk pack offers great value. It's ideal for families or individuals who want to keep all their electronics in top condition. What people say. It included everything just like in the picture. And everything works exactly as it should. I especially like the pick. This kit is super nice and has lots of different helpful tools and pieces. The rest of the kit was awesome. Had all the right tools to clean all of the sand out of all the itty-bitty nooks and crannies. Super simple to use, and the carrying case is perfect to keep all the parts together. Number 1. Phone Cleaning Kit. Keep your phone and other electronics looking and performing their best. Our cleaning kit is designed for all your essential devices. Tired of smudges and fingerprints? This kit effectively cleans your phone screens, leaving them spotless and clear for optimal viewing. Don't let dust and debris accumulate. Safely clean charging ports, speaker grills, and other delicate areas with precision tools. From your iPhone to your laptop, this versatile kit handles it all. It's perfect for maintaining your AirPods and other small electronics too. Ensure your devices function flawlessly with regular cleaning. This kit provides everything you need for a thorough and easy maintenance routine. Effectively remove dirt and grime from every corner of your electronics. It's the simple solution for a cleaner, more reliable device. What we like. This kit offers an all-in-one solution for cleaning not just ports and speakers, but also your phone screen. If you're looking for a single, portable package to maintain the overall cleanliness and functionality of your smartphone and earbuds, this is a great pick. It's perfect for those who want their devices to look and perform like new. What people say. Has all the tools you need in a nice compact case. I use these tools all the time to clean my phone, AirPods, and watches. Definitely removes dirt and smudges. The screen cleaner solution is gentle yet powerful, effortlessly removing fingerprints, smudges, and other dirt and grime from your phone screen. The microfiber cloth is soft and lint-free, ensuring a streak-free finish without scratching or damaging the screen. Easy to use, excellent to have on hand, can be used for cleaning so many things around the house, in the car, and around the lids of garbage cans, just to name a few. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.